welcome to Vedantu NCERT Solution 11th and 12th. I am Anchana, your biology master teacher, and today we are going to discuss the question from the chapter called Animal Kingdom. First question from the Animal Kingdom: what are the difficulties that you would face in the classification of animals if common fundamental features are not taken into account? It is very much difficulty to distinguish the organism into a particular group without fundamental features. What are the fundamental features? Body organization, triploblastic or diploblastic, coelomate or acoelomate, pseudocoelomate, etc. Right? So let's discuss any few fundamental features. Okay, so first one is body organization. Okay, body organization. See, what are the types of body organization that we have? One is cellular level, second one is tissue level, next is organ level, and another one is organ system level. So let's discuss any two. Okay, first one is cellular level, right? Cellular level. Example for cellular level is which one? That is sponges, right? Sponges. Second one is that is tissue level of organization, right? So example for tissue level, coelenterata, right? Okay, second type of fundamental feature is diploblastic and triploblastic organism. Diploblastic means the organism containing only two embryonic layer, that is ectoderm and endoderm. So this is diploblastic. And what do you mean by triploblastic? Triploblastic means three embryonic layer: ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. So this is triploblastic, right? So and next one is coelom, right? So presence or absence of coelom also an important fundamental feature. Presence or absence of coelom is also a very important fundamental features, right? Okay, so these are the very important fundamental features. So without these particular fundamental feature, we cannot distinguish, we cannot group particular organism, particular animal into a particular group. Okay, so next question: if you are given a specimen, what are the steps that you would follow to classify it? So we have an organism, we have an animal, we need to identify that animal and group into a particular group. Okay, so how we are going to group that particular organism? So first thing is, we need to see mode of nutrition. Yes, what is the mode of nutrition? Whether it is autotrophic, heterotrophic, in heterotrophic, saprophytic, holozoic, there are different kinds of mode of nutrition, right? So we need to see whether it is autotrophic or heterotrophic. If it is heterotrophic, we need to see whether it is parasitic, holozoic and saprophytic. Okay, so second one is body organization. Okay, body organization. We need to check whether the organism belonging to cellular level of organization, or it belonging to tissue level of organization, or organ level of organization, or that organism belonging to organ system level of organization. Okay, next one is coelom, presence or absence of coelom. Okay, so the organism which containing coelom are called coelomate organism. Without coelom, acoelomate organism. If the organism which containing a patches of mesoderm, then it is called as pseudocoelomate. Okay, we need to check that organism belonging to coelomate, pseudocoelomate or acoelomate. Okay, next one, whether the organism having 2 germ layer or 3 germ layer, right? So that is diploblastic or triploblastic. We need to check the organism belonging to diploblastic or triploblastic. 2 germ layer, then it is called diploblastic. 3 germ layer, then it is called triploblastic organism. Okay, next one is absence or presence of notochord. So absence absence, absence or presence of notochord. By checking these things, we can easily distinguish an organism, an animal into a particular group. Okay, so this is about question number 2. Next, how useful the study of nature of body cavity and coelom in the classification of animal. Okay, what is coelom? Let's discuss what you mean by coelom. Coelom is a cavity, fluid-filled cavity. Coelom is a fluid-filled cavity, fluid-filled cavity which is present between body wall and gut wall. Okay, in between body wall and gut wall, a fluid-filled cavity will be present. That cavity is known as coelom. Okay, so body wall and gut wall. So based on presence and absence of coelom, the organism is classified into 3 types. Okay, so first one is known as coelomate. So coelomate means what? The organism which containing true coelom. Okay, so the organism which containing true coelom that are known as coelomate. Example, Annelida and mollusca. Okay, chordata, yes, and arthropoda, echinodermata. So these organisms which containing coelom. Second one is pseudocoelomate. That means the organism which do not containing true coelom, but some patches are present. Okay, some patches are present. So those patches having organism are called pseudocoelomate. Example, Aschelminthus. Okay, Aschelminthus. Yes. Okay, the next one is known as acoelomate. What do you mean by acoelomate? The organism which do not containing coelom, those organisms are known as acoelomate, right? Example, Platyhelminthes. Okay, Platyhelminthes. Okay, so next question. Oh, okay, so this is the structure of coelomate, pseudocoelomate and acoelomate. See, ectoderm and endoderm. Middle we can find mesoderm. This mesoderm containing a small cavity. So this is known as coelom. In pseudocoelomate, what is present? Some patches are present, right? But in acoelomate, there is no cavity at all. Yes? So next question. Distinguish between intracellular and extracellular digestion. So let's discuss what you mean by intracellular and extracellular digestion. Okay, first one, intracellular. The digestion of food occur within the cell. In a single cell, the digestion is occurring. So that is known as intracellular. Extracellular means there is a specialized organ for it. Okay, for digestion of a food, we have a special organ. The digestion occur in the cavity of alimentary canal. Special organ called alimentary canal. Special group of organs called alimentary canal. In that alimentary canal, we can find digestion that is known as extracellular. Okay, digestive enzymes are secreted by the surrounding cytoplasm. So inside the cell itself, digestive enzymes are present. That digestive enzymes secrete the enzymes. Okay, so here the digestive enzymes secreted by a special cells. Okay, special cells which is present in the alimentary canal. So pancreas and in the intestine, there are many patches of or specialized organs which secrete digestive enzyme. Okay, next one, digestive product are diffused into the cytoplasm. In the intracellular digestion, the digestive product that is minute food particles easily absorbed by cytoplasm, diffuses into the cytoplasm, but in extracellular, the digestive particles or it is known as digestive product diffuses into the intestinal wall. Intestinal wall. Next one is, it is a very less effective, very less efficient method, but extracellular is more efficient method. And here single cell organism undergo intracellular digestion, but multicellular organism undergo extracellular digestion. So this is the difference between intra and extracellular digestion. Next one. What is the difference between direct and indirect development? We need to discuss what is direct development and indirect development. So first one, direct development. It is the type of development in which an embryo develop into mature individual without involving the larval stage. There is no larval stage. So if there is no larval stage, that means egg fertilizing with a sperm, the zygote is developing into a new individual which is similar to that of the adult organism, parent itself. So then it is known as direct development. Indirect development means egg and sperm fertilizes, zygote is not looking like that of the zygote develop into an individual, that individual is not looking like that of the adult one. So that is indirect development. That particular development is containing larval stage. So the larval stage undergo metamorphosis and produces adult. So in direct development there is no metamorphosis. Next example is fishes, reptiles, birds, mammals, which produces direct development, but indirect development in most of the invertebrates and also amphibian. In amphibian, tadpole larva. Have you heard about tadpole larva? So these are the example for indirect development. Next one. What are the peculiar features that you find in parasitic platyhelminthes? So what are the important peculiar feature present in the parasitic platyhelminthes? Let's see. The first one is thick tegument. So tegument means outermost body covering. Thick tegument is present, which give protection. Which give protection from the digestive enzyme. And also this tegument also helps in absorption of nutrients. Absorption of nutrients. Second one is hook and sucker are present. Hook and sucker is present, which give grip to attach to the host. Firm grip in host body. Next one is loss of locomotory. There is no locomotory and digestive organs present in the parasitic platyhelminthes. There loss of locomotory and digestive organs. Yes. Next one example. What are the platyhelminthes which act as parasites? Example is Taenia fasciola. Taenia and fasciola are the example for parasitic platyhelminthes. So next one. What are the reasons that you can think of for the arthropod to constitute largest group of animal kingdom? What are the reasons? So are arthropoda. Arthropoda is the largest kingdom. Largest phylum in the animal kingdom. Okay, so what are the reasons means? First one is presence of jointed appendages or jointed legs, right? So it can be easy for the organism to move around the land, right? So jointed appendages helps in locomotion. Second one is hard exoskeleton. Hard exoskeleton. Hard exoskeleton is present, which is made up of chitin, right? So it is made up of chitin, which gives the protection, okay, which gives the protection, and also this exoskeleton prevent water loss. Okay, so prevent water loss. Yes, so these are the very important characteristic feature present in the arthropoda, which helps the organism live in large quantity. Okay, so next question is, water vascular system is the characteristic of which group among the following? There are 4 groups which is given here, in which we need to see which group of organism containing water vascular system. So porifera, ctenophora, echinodermata, chordata, in which we need to see which organism containing water vascular system. See, in echinodermata, we can see water vascular system. This water vascular system helps in locomotion. Okay, locomotion, food capturing, and respiration. Okay, so water vascular system helps in locomotion, food capturing, and respiration. Yes, next question. All vertebrate are chordate, but all chordate are not vertebrate. Justify the statement. Okay, so we know for a chordate, it should contain at least 2 characteristic features. Which are the 2 important characteristic features? One is known as notochord, right? Notochord. Second one is pharyngeal. So pharyngeal gill slits. At least these 2 structures should be present in the organism, at least in some stages of life cycle, right? So if these 2 characteristic feature is present at least in some stages of life cycle, then that organism is known as what? That organism is known as chordata. See, there are 3 types of chordata. First one is known as urochordata. See, in urochordata, the organism containing notochord only in tail region. Okay, only in tail region. Second one is cephalochordata. In cephalochordata, from head to tail, we can find notochord. Head to tail we can find notochord. And next one is vertebrata. Okay, vertebrata. In vertebrata, we can find notochord in embryonic stage. Okay, only in embryonic stage we can find notochord, but in adult or after birth, this notochord is replaced by vertebral column. Okay, vertebral column. So hence we can easily say all vertebrates are chordate, but all chordate are not vertebrates. Okay, there are 2 other types also present. Okay, so next question. How important is the presence of air bladder in Pisces? Why this air bladder is present in Pisces, fishes? Okay, so air bladder in Pisces regulate buoyancy. Okay, it helps in buoyancy which prevent fish from sinking. Okay, so it prevent fish sinking. So air bladder is very much important. It helps in buoyancy. Okay, next question. What are the modifications that are observed in birds that help them fly? So what are the key important characteristics that a bird should possess or bird should contain to fly? So what are the features? First one is feather. Okay, first one is feather. Second one is forelimb is modified. Forelimb is modified into wings, right? Forelimb is modified into limbs. Next one is these organism, birds containing pneumatic bones. Okay, pneumatic air-filled cavity in the bone. So those bones are known as pneumatic bone. Okay, next, absence of urinary bladder. Okay, so absence of urinary bladder. Yes. Next one is streamlined body. Okay, streamlined body. Yes. So these are the important feature that a bird containing that helps the bird to fly. Yes. Okay. Next one is question number 12. Could the number of egg or young one produced by oviparous and viviparous mother be equal? Why? Okay, so egg and young one. Egg is produced by oviparous and young one is produced by viviparous. So both are same number. So viviparous produces viviparous produces less number of young one. Okay, but oviparous produces more number of eggs. Why? Because this oviparous is having many threat, right? So predator pressure is present. Predator. Why? Because the embryonic development taken or takes place in the outside the body, right? So the egg is not mobile, right? It cannot move from one place to another place. So the predator can easily destroy the egg, or it can eat that egg, right? So predator pressure is present, right? And also environmental stress. Environmental stress is also present for oviparous. And one more thing, parental care is less. So due to that, it should release, or it should containing more number of eggs. So if 10 eggs are laid, at least 1 or 2 egg can develop into new individual. That's why oviparous produces more number of egg, but viviparous produces less number of young ones. Okay, next question. Segmentation in the body is first observed in which of the following? Okay, Platyhelminthes, Aschelminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda. In which organism out of these 4, which organism having segmentation first? Okay, first time the segmentation is observed in Annelida, right? In earthworm we can find what? Segmentation. Okay, in Annelida, that is example is earthworm, right? In earthworm we can find body segmentation. Okay, there are numerous segmentation present, right? Okay, next question. Match the following. Operculum is seen in which organism? Operculum is seen in Osteichthyes, that is bony fishes, right? Operculum is present in bony fishes. Parapodia Parapodia is present in which organism? That is Annelida, right? Parapodia is present in Annelida. Next, scales. Scales are present in which organism? That is reptiles. Okay, operculum, osteichthyes, Parapodia, Annelida, and scales, reptilia. Comb plates. Comb plates is present in which organism? That is Ctenophora, right? So comb plates present in Ctenophora. Radula. Radula is present in which organism? Radula is present in mollusca, right? Next, hairs are present in, body hairs is present in mammal, right? Next one is, yes, so next one is coinocytes. Coinocytes is present in porifera, right? Gill slits are present in cyclostomata and coinocytes. Yes, so operculum, osteichthyes, Parapodia is present in Annelida. Scales are present in which organism? Scales are present in reptiles. Comb plates, Ctenophora, Radula, mollusca, hair, mammalia, coinocytes, porifera, gill slits, cyclostomata and chondrichthyes. Okay, so next, let's move to next question. Prepare a list of some animals that are found in parasitic on human being. Okay, so let's see what are the organism. Okay, which are the organism present in our body. So first one is Taenia. Second one is Fasciola. Okay, so Fasciola. These two comes under Platyhelminthes. Okay, so these two organism comes under Platyhelminthes. These two organism present in our body. And next one, it acts as a parasitic. Okay, these organism are parasitic. Okay, next one is Ascaris. Ascaris lumbricoid also present in our body. Next, Wuchereria, and also Ancylostoma. So these organism belonging to Aschelminthes. Okay, so these organism also present in our body. So this is about the chapter called Animal Kingdom. Hope you have understood each and every questions. In case if you have any doubt, comment below. If you like our videos, our questions, everything, means the way of explanation, everything, then like the button, share it to your friends and subscribe. Thank you all. Bye-bye.